Hey guys, when I was testing the Hobbywing 800 kV motor in the Xmaxx, Sean Larman of Jack's RC Recycle and Repair was doing my driving for me because it's kind of hard to one-hand drive this and get video. But when we were done, he actually gave me a box and it had the 1100 kV Hobbywing motor in it. Now this is the smaller but higher kV version of the 800. So we put it in. We put a 25 tooth pinion gear on it, mod 1.5 gears with a 35 tooth spur gear. We also, or he actually brought some Helios 4S batteries. So we used his fresh batteries, the 25-35 ratio with this motor in this truck and went right back out to running. So take a look. Okay, we're gonna get a quick speed run. We have everything is set up. Hopefully it goes. Go get it, Sean. I
had to hold up there, it was getting out of control.
That thing's moving pretty good.
Thank you.
56.1.
And we probably could have got faster.
Probably could have got faster with a better run.
It was.
We have a guy with a dog down there we can't kill, so.
I didn't hear no gears grind, Joe.
Okay, let's check that motor temp. I bet you it is hot now. I'll go ahead and leave it rolling here. Uncut motor temp. Oh, you got dirt in my flip-flops.
170.
170.
Check it again. 168.
I can put you on the camera here. There we go.
Check it at the end bell. 181 on the end bell.
181.
But on the center of the motor, 167. Gears, 111 on the gears.
All right.
Yep, steady 111 on the gears. Batteries, 123.
123. That's a little warm on the batteries.
123.
Hey, check a battery connector too.
122.
Get this one right here.
120. So yeah, hot all the way around. 127, but we're not getting any thermal cutoff.
Yeah, the ESC's fine.
127. 129. 150 at the caps.
Okay. That's still not too hot though, is it?
Yeah, 150 at the caps.
Motor's a little bit warm at the back though.
Yeah. Which is typical. That's why when they say you want to cool your motor,
I can't see anything on you.
when you want to cool the motor, most of the time you want to cool it at the end bell because that's where most of the heat takes place. As you can see when we were testing.
Yeah, it definitely was hotter there.
But it still was running good.
That was a heck of a full throttle run there for like a minute and a half straight, man.
Yeah.
That was awesome.
Yeah. So it can take it, and
yeah,
I'm sure with some good fans on the motor, it'll be a killer motor, killer setup.
Awesome.
So guys, with a shorter 1100 kV motor, we expected, a loss in torque as compared to the 800, but we're kind of thinking maybe the little bit slower ratio of a 25-35 ratio is where the 800 had a 30-35. It put this right up at the same speed, and in all honesty, I kind of like the 1100 kV better. It seemed more responsive to your throttle input, and the thing liked to ride wheelies. So that's always a good thing with a nice big Xmaxx. No issues. When we were bashing around the baseball diamond with that motor, it did get a little bit hot. That's kind of to be expected. Bashing around like that, that's pretty brutal for any motor out there, no matter what motor you got. So I'm happy with it. In the description below, there are links to the Hobbywing website where you guys can pick up a motor yourself and run it through your own tests. Post up in the comments below what you get out of it. So guys, thank you all for watching, and stay tuned because I've always got stuff being recorded on the schedule. I'm just always recording. Thank you guys for watching.